Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, let's go ahead and answer this question. It says the integral of x cubed between 0 to 1, it has to be between 0 and 1 inclusive. Prove this using property 8. Okay, it's actually a quite intuitive proof. Basically, what you have to say is if you have an integration from a to b of f of x, it is always going to be between these two values, m times b minus a and large M times b minus a when f of x is between large M and small m. What do they mean by that? Well, let's pretend that f of x looks something like this, okay, between a and b. Let's say that the lower bound of this is m. And m doesn't necessarily be the point at f of a, as long as f of x is larger than small m, any m would satisfy. Let's say that the upper bound is large M. So right now you see that f of x is between small m and large M. So what is m times b minus a equal to? Well, this portion is the area under this curve of M, so it's this red rectangle. Similarly, if I take a look at this value, it's the area of the blue rectangle. So what can I say about the area of the integral, the area under this curve? Well, it's very clear that it's going to be between or larger than the blue rectangle, but smaller than the red rectangle. So that's what property 8 is talking about, okay? So all you need to do to show this is that the rectangle, the red rectangle is 1, the blue rectangle is 0. Why did I know that? X cubed looks like this, from 0 to 1. When x is equal to 0, the left end, it's right here. So x cubed is greater than or equal to 0. Is it less than or equal to 1? Yeah. If I plug in x is equal to 1, the height is 1. So x cubed is less than 1. So the distance from 0 to 1 is 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. So to be a little bit careful here, I can say that this is 0 times 1 minus 0, less than or equal to the area between 0 to 1 of x cubed dx, and 1 times 1 minus 0, which basically represents the area under the red rectangle, the area under the blue rectangle, which is sandwiching the area of x cubed. And this is how you prove this statement using property 8.